Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Fetal hiccups are rhythmic jerks in the womb caused by your baby's developing nervous system. However, doctors don't count hiccups as baby movements when monitoring fetal health. Instead, focus on kicks, rolls, and stretches. They're more varied and spontaneous and better indicators of your baby's activity.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.